7. The length of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 cm per minute. Given length of rectangle x, given it is x, decreasing at the rate of 5 cm per minute. That means dx by dt, because minute is given taken with respect to time t, dx by dt equal to, decreasing means it has a negative sign, 5 cm per minute, minus 5 cm per minute. And then with y is increasing at the rate of 4 cm per minute, and also given that the rate of change of y is increasing, that is dy by dt with respect to time, which is equal to, increasing means we should take it as a positive quantity, 4 cm per minute. And when x is equal to 8, y equal to 6, find the rate of change of the perimeter and the area of the rectangle. These are the two information given. Dx by dt equal to minus 5 cm per minute, dy by dt equal to 4 cm per minute. And we need to find the rate of change of perimeter. That is, given x and y are the length and width. So perimeter P equal to, the perimeter P equal to 2 into x plus y. And the area A equal to xy. We need to find dp by dt and dA by dt. These are the two results we need to find. So P is 2 into x plus y. Differentiated with respect to time, dp by dt, rate of change of perimeter with respect to time t, rate of change of P with respect to time t is dp by dt equal to, differentiating with respect to 2 here, dp by dt equal to 2 into x with respect to t is dx by dt plus y with respect to t is dy by dt. So both the information of dx by dt and dy by dt are given. Substituting in it, simplify, we will get the answer, which will be equal to 2 into dx by dt is minus 5, dy by dt is plus 4, so minus 5 plus 4, that is equal to 2 into minus 1 equal to minus 2 centimeter per minute. Here the negative sign represents the perimeter is decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. That is, the perimeter is decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute, which is equal to minus 2, which is equal to minus 2 centimeter per minute, which implies the perimeter decreases 2 centimeter per minute. The negative sign indicates the decreasing of perimeter at rate 2 centimeter per minute. Now we need to find the area. Area is x comma y, area is xy. Area of the rectangle A is equal to xy. X is length and y is width. Now we need to calculate rate of change. Both are functions of time t. With respect to time t, differentiating dA by dt equal to, here we have both are functions, so we should apply a product rule. Differentiating x with respect to t, dx by dt into y, and then plus keeping x as same, and differentiating y with respect to t, we have dy by dt. Here substituting the given results dx by dt, dy by dt, and x and y in this, we will get dA by dt. Therefore dA by dt equal to, the dx by dt is given as minus 5 and y is 6 plus x is 8 and dy by dt is 4. Simplify it, we have dA by dt equal to minus 30 plus 32, which is equal to 2. Area means it is centimeter square per minute, square unit, so centimeter square per minute. So the rate of change of area is 2 centimeter square per minute, and rate of change of the perimeter is minus 2, decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter square per minute. Here area increasing, perimeter is decreasing. Question 8. A ball always remains spherical in inflation. is being inflated by pumping into 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second is inflated into the balloon. It remains spherical in shape. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increasing when r equal to 15. So given the rate of change of when we pumping into the balloon the air, the entire volume increases. The entire volume of the balloon increases. This means given dV by dt. This is taken as dV by dt. When we pumping into the balloon the gas, the entire volume of the balloon will increases. Though that implies the rate of change of volume of the balloon with respect to time t is given as 900 centimeter cube per second. 900 centimeter cube per second is given. And find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases. To find the radius increasing, rate at which the radius of the balloon is increasing. That means dr by dt. We need to find dr by dt when we need the dr by dt at r equal to 15, when r equal to 15 centimeter. Now, rate of change of volume of the balloon is given, and we need to find the rate of change of radius with respect to time t when r equal to 15 centimeter. So the balloon is in spherical form is given. So the volume of the sphere is taken here. Volume of sphere V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of sphere. We have dV by dt, so differentiate with respect to t because time is given. Derivative with respect to t happen here. Differentiate with respect to t. We have dV by dt equal to 4 by 3 pi into the r cube is derivative of r cube is 3r square into dr by dt. 3r square into dr. If we are differentiating with respect to r, we have only 4 by 3 pi into 3r square. But we are differentiating with respect to time t. So v respect to t is dv by dt and 4 by 3 pi constant remains. Then here we are using chain rule, that is by using x power n x power n minus 1, 3 r power 3 minus 1 is 2, and then differentiation of r with respect to t is dr by dt. Here substituting the values given dv by dt and r, will find the value of dr by dt here. So dv by dt is given as 900 cubic centimeter per second, which is equal to 4 pi by 3. Can cancel this 3 and 3, so 4 pi into r square. R is 15, so 15 square, 15 into 15, 225 into dr by dt. But we need the value of dr by dt, so dividing 900 by 4 pi into 225, 4 times 225 means so 900 equal to 4 times 225 is 900. So again we have 900 pi in the right side into dr by dt. We need dr by dt, so dividing it by 900, 900 divided by 900 pi, which is equal to dr by dt. Here cancelling 900, 1 by pi, so dr by dt is nothing but 1 by pi. That is a positive quantity. So the radius of the balloon increasing at a rate of 1 by pi centimeter per second. 1 by pi centimeter per second. Here comes the next question, question number 9. A balloon which always remains in spherical form, find the rate at which its volume is increasing with radius when r equal to 10 centimeter. A balloon remains always in spherical form is given. So we should take a volume of sphere here. Volume of balloon, it is in spherical form. V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube is taken. find the rate at which its volume is increasing. That means dV by dt we need to find. It will be a positive quantity because mentioned here it is increasing. With the radius, this is very important. With respect to radius is given. So we should differentiate it with respect to r. And then substituting r, you can easily get the result. So differentiate with respect to r. dV by dt equal to 4 by 3 pi constant. Differentiating r cube with respect to r, 3r square into dr by dr, that is 1. And now we can cancel 3. dV by dt equal to 4 pi r square. Here given we need the value of volume increasing in increase of volume when r equal to 10 centimeter. Substituting r equal to 10 here. When r equal to 10, dV by dt equal to 4 pi r square 10 square, that is equal to 400 pi. Volume is centimeter cube per second. Given unit is increasing spherical form, but rate of volume is with radius, so centimeter cube per second. Not second here, only 400 pi centimeter cube with respect to r radius. Question number 10. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. This is wall and this is ground. This is the ladder. Always ground and wall are at a 90 degree. The ladder length is 5 meter. It is a fixed constant length. Is pulled along the ground away from the wall. Pulled along the ground away from the wall at a rate of 2 centimeter per second. That means suppose we are taking it as x. dx by dt is given. That is equal to 2 centimeter per second is given. And how fast is its height on the wall decreasing? When the bottom is pulled out against the wall, the height should be decreases. So we need to find, taking the height as y, we need to find dy by dt. That is needed here. So this is a right triangle, forms a right angle triangle. So let x be ground and y be wall. So it represents bottom, it represents height. Ground, this means bottom, and y is height. Now by Pythagoras theorem, x square plus y square equal to 5 square. It is a right angle triangle. So x square plus y square must satisfy 5 square. So simplifying this, x square plus y square equal to 25. And now these are all happening with respect to time t. So we can differentiate with respect to time t here. 2x into dx by dt plus 2y into dy by dt equal to the constant 25 becomes 0. We can divide it by 2, which implies x into dx by dt plus y into dy by dt equal to 0. Given the values are the ground away from, given dx by d is 2 centimeter per second, we can substitute here for dx by d is 2, and the value of x, the ladder, when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away, that is x is equal to 4. At the time of dx by d 2 centimeter per second, x follows 4. So x and dx by d are given, substituting in it, and we need the value of y here. There are two values is known. Substituting the first one, x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 4 in it. 1 implies when x is equal to 4, 1 implies 16 plus y square equal to 25, and y square equal to 25 minus 16 is 9, which implies y equal to 3. We have here plus or minus 3, but length cannot be negative. We should take y equal to 3, positive quantity only. So y equal to 3 is taken. So when x is equal to 4, we have y is 3. And dx by dt is 2 cm per second. Substituting these values here, we can find 4 into dx by dt is 2 plus y is 3 into dy by dt. We need to find dy by dt equal to 0. Now 8. So dy by dt equal to 8 minus 8 divided by 3. 4 2s are 8. The right side is minus 8. So minus 8 by 3. Right here. Dy by dt equal to minus 8 and 3 in the product, it will be in the division minus 8 by 3. Here the unit is centimeter per second given, centimeter per second. This means the negative sign indicates the height is decreasing. So the height is decreasing at a rate of minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second.